In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do these bobbles. On this row, I'm going to be doing 6 bobbles. The bobbles are worked from the back side. To do the bobble stitch, so you can't see the bobbles from the back side, from the wrong side, but you can see them on the right side. To do it, I'm going to work 5 partial double crochet stitches in the same stitch. So I'm not going to complete the final yarn over, pull through. I'm going to do 5 partials. So yarn over, go through that stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, and that's all I'm going to do for that first one. So I have 5. I have 2 stitches there. For number 2, yarn over, go through that same stitch, push through, yarn over, pull through that, then pull through 2. Okay, now I have 3 loops and I have 2 stitches. Yarn over, go through that same stitch, pull through 2. Now I have 4 loops and 3 stitches. Yarn over, pull through 2, 5 loops and 4 stitches. I'm going to do one more. Yarn over, through 2. Okay, so I've done my 5 partial double crochets and I have 6 loops. I'm going to yarn over one more time and just pull through all 6 of those and then kind of pull it snug. There's different ways that you can complete the bobble to make it kind of puff out. In this pattern, I do a single crochet in the next stitch. Like so. So now we have a bobble. That's one. And we're going to do the same thing for our next bobble. Do 5 partial double crochets in this next stitch. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. On a typical double crochet, I would yarn over and pull through those, but I'm going to continue and do my second stitch in this bobble. Number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yarn over, pull through all those. I'm going to do a single crochet in here. Okay, now we have on our right side we have 2 bobbles.